Hello students, good morning. So till today we have completed up to exercise number 3.5 from the chapter number 3. Now we are going to start exercise number 3.6. So let me start. First question is find the HCF means highest common factor of the following. So our first question is 18 and 48. So 80 and 48. First we do the prime factorization. Okay. So prime factors are start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, and many more. So for our first try is 2. So start from 2. 2 nines are 18. Now again we will do from 2, but 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will took 3. 3 threes are 9. Again 3. 3 ones are 3. So it is done. Now second. First we start from 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8. Now again 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Again 2. 2 sixes are 12. Again 2. 2 threes are 6. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. So we took 3 here. 3 ones are 3. It is done. Now for highest common factor, what we have to do? We have to check the factors of common, which is common. So 2 here and 2 here both are common. So I am writing 1 time 2 here. Again 3. 3 here and 3 here. So it is multiply by 3. Now here it is 3, but 3 is not available second time here. Okay. So 3 will not come. And 2 here, but 2 is not there. So 2 will also not come. So this is 2, 2 and 3, 3. Both are common. So 2 3s are 6 is your HCF of your answer. 18 and 48. Now second question is 30 and 42. So first we start from 2. 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we took 3 here. 3 5s are 15. Now 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So what is the next our option is 5. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now 42. 2 21s are 42. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because 21 is odd number. 1 is odd. So 21. Now next option is 3. So 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is not divisible by 3. Our next option is 5. But 7 is not divisible by 5 also. So next option is 7. So 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now check the common factors. 2 2 common. Yes. So 2 1 time here. 3 3 common. Yes. So 3 multiplied. 5 5 common. No. 7 7 common. No. So our answer is 2 3s are 6. Now C. 80 and 60. Okay, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now 60. 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So we will check common factors. 2 2 common. Yes, so 2 multiply by 3 3 common. Yes, so 3. Now 3 here, but here is not second 3 is available. So 2 and 3. Answer is 6 is your HCF. Now next question. 27 and 63. Here it is 27. Here it is 63. Okay. Now see here. 27 is divisible by 2? No. So our second try is 3. So 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. Okay. This is done. Now 63. 63 is divisible, not divisible by 2. Why? Because 3. 63 is odd number. Last में क्या है 3. That's why this is odd number. And odd number is not divisible by 2. Now we start from 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are. Again 21. 3 7s are. Again 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 5. And last is 7 option. 7 1s are 7. Now HCF is equal to 3 3 common. So took round 3 multiply by again 3 common, so round 3 multiply by 3 is common, no. 7 is common, no. So our answer is 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now E 36 and 84. चलो खुद से ट्राई करो एक बार. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. For 84, 2 4s are and 2 2s are 42, 2 21s are, 3 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay. Now HCF is 2 2 common, yes. Again 2 2 common, yes. 3 3 common, yes. 3 7, no. And 7 3, no. So answer is 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 is your answer. Okay. Now F 34 and 102. Two 17s are 34. Now 17 is क्या है? 17 किसी के टेबल में आता है? No, because 17 is prime number. So 17 1s are 17. जो प्राइम नंबर होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 से और नंबर इटसेल्फ से ही डिवाइड होता है, पता है ना. नाउ नेक्स्ट 102, 251s are, 3 17s are, again 17 1s are. Okay. 251s are 102, 3 17s are 51 and 17 prime number, so 17 1s are 17. Now HCF क्या निकलेगा? 2 2 common, yes. Multiply by 17 common, yes. और 3 common, no. So answer is 17 2s are 34. Okay. Now next question is G. 70, 105 and 175. 70, 105 and 175. Okay. 2 35s are 70. Now 35 is divisible by 2? No, because 5 is odd number. Now we took 3. 35 is divisible by 3. 3 के टेबल में 35 आता है, चेक करो. No. Next option is 5. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. This is over. Now 105. देखो इसमें क्या है, लास्ट में जो 5 होता है और 0 होता है वो नंबर सिर्फ और सिर्फ किससे डिवाइड होता है? 5 और 10 से. तो इसमें लास्ट में क्या है? 5. तो ये नंबर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 3 से डिवाइड होगा? नो. 3 से होगा. देखो चेक करो. 105 डिवाइड बाई 3 करो. 105 डिवाइड बाई 3 करो. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1 and 5 down. 3 5s are 15. ओके. तो 35 3s are 105. 3 35s are. ओके. नाउ 35 से यहां से देखो कॉमन सेम ही आएगा. तो 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. ओके. नाउ 175. अभी इसमें क्या 3 से डिवाइड होगा? चेक करो. 2 से तो होने वाला नहीं है क्योंकि ऑड नंबर है. तो 175 क्या 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है? देखो 3 5s are 15. 17 minus 15 2 and 5. 3 के टेबल में 25 आएगा? नो. सो आवर ऑप्शन इज 5. 175 डिवाइड बाई 5 करो. 5 3s are 15. 2 and 5. ओके. एंड 5 5s are 25. 35 5s are. अभी 35 से फिर से कॉमन यहां से देखो. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. नाउ HCF क्या निकलेगा? ये तीनों का, तीनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए. ओके. 2 यहाँ पे है क्या? ये दोनों में 2 है, दिख रहा है आपको? नो. 5 यस. तो 5 5 एंड 5. सो 1 टाइम 5 लिखना है. ओके. मल्टीप्लाई में 7 कॉमन है तीनों में. यस. 1 7 7 एंड 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. अभी 2 कॉमन नहीं है, 3 भी कॉमन नहीं है और 5 भी दूसरी बार कॉमन नहीं है. ठीक है. तो आंसर इज 5 7s are 35. गेट इट. नाउ दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ये तीनों का आपको HCF फाइंड करना है. इसका और इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. ओके. वेरी गुड.